Passing. Rupert. Oh, I got one. Watching them base.
Unless they like okay. Okay, who's fucking A? Okay, who's A? Okay, one outside. One inside, okay. It's got off, right? Come on, boy, big it now. Don't let my hands up. Don't let my hands on, boys. Hold the line, lads. Hold the line.
Okay.
Off the line quickly, Amy in front! You got that, I'll run it on.
Go, Hunter!
St. Richard Gwyn at Ysgol.
Con! Let's go. On his head. On his head. Yeah, big guns. Big guns. Yes, yeah.
Go, come on! Go the outside! Quick! Out! Come on!
Yeah.
Goal! 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 Out! One more try. Come on, let's go. Neve, set up again.
Yn gysylltiad y bechgyn yn chwarteri y plat, so in the boys plate quarter final. Ar cae 6 on pitch number 6, we're going to need Llan Gynwyd yn erbyn Bro Morgannwg. Ar cae rhif 7, pitch number 7, Plas Mawr yn erbyn Ysgol Ystrata. Cae 8, pitch number 8, Bryn Teg yn erbyn Dyffryn Aman. A cae 10, pitch number 10, Beisleg yn erbyn Cwm Rymni. Chwarteri y plas, the boys quarter final pitch 10, cae 10, Beisleg yn erbyn Cwm Rymni Gelli Haf.
Tom. Go stop. This is a nice shot.
Keep calling you Clinton.
Delivered enough hard. And then this one, the boy just didn't move, and there was space to come right. So the winger had to switch around to the ball.
Careful long on the bench.
Just over a minute, I'll give a shout when he's going, right?
Over a minute.
Yeah, just going like 1 minute 3. Yeah, 103.
Yeah, on him again. Let's go. Yeah, fucking leave him, son. Cal, let's fucking go, son.
Watch out, Jack and Rogue. They're coming through.
Look.
They're saying it. They're trying to make it
Brooke, just turn. Just got a good turn. Chase, go. Chase. Ball now.
Oh, someone's got it.
Oh, this is
That's quite cool.
I like that. That's quite cool, isn't it?
Good idea, isn't it?
Yeah, seriously.
Deep door on the window, scores.
Yes, Edward.
Yeah, come on, shoot him both sides.
Oes modd i Ysgol Basaleg, Beisleg School, mynd draw i cae 10 os gwelwch yn dda.
first line of it.
No good. Oh.
I was sweating over there a minute ago.
One of them was it.
You were going to go to try and
What happens if we draw? So it's a draw at the minute. I was like,
oh, what a net.
I told Sid to it, so I'll let you know at the end. Oh no, I don't. More feet. Who's ref? Put on there, Me. Somebody's meeting you, innit?
Good kick.
More feet, just go out there, yeah. Boys.
Oh.
Is this for the quarters then, lads?
Yeah.
It's
So we should have semis on.
do you do all the first?
Mix another bad girl.
No, I mean with the boys, they do all the fights and then on the plate.
No, we had a play game.
Yeah.
Too many games
Well, to be fair,
Good pass. Nice.
Yes, Brett! Yes, Brett! Nice, Brett!
what's the score in this one anyway?
24-5-2.
Oh, it's a close game.
24-5.
Which one's the team's winning?
Oh, nice.
Green Bay.
Good, well.
Oh, he's flat down. Oh, terrible tackle. That's a laugh.
Go! Go away,
Got
back
six
in
cut
it!
the numbers, I mean.
Get in the way! Come on, use it!
Canlyniad ffeinal merched, felly ffeinal plas y merched yn dechrau gan gyntaf y bosib os chi'n gallu mynd draw I cael rhif 1 os gwelwch yma. The final of the girls' plates competition, if you can make your way over to pitch 1. Yn y gyslyd, in the competition, mae gen ni Coleg Caerdydd ar ôl Cardiff Vale College yn erbyn Glan Fab against Glan Fab. Wedyn yn y ffeinal cwpan y merched, in the final of the girls' crest competition, mae gen ni Coleg Gwent Crosskeys yn erbyn Hopeford. We've got Gwent Crosskeys College against Hopeford on pitch 1 in the girls' cup final.
Make the change. Let's make the change. You know yours.
Did you play it? Did you play for? I stopped playing for years ago. They that team that unless you're in the clip, you're not playing. They fall back even said left player. But he knew so well. The young team, he knew so well he didn't score nothing. Drove over now from Stafford over there, because they went out with desperate players. He drove over now. And then he went to me on the Saturday, oh, you don't mind if you don't play, you know, and I said, I told my Tom, what do you mean? I was like, you told me you was desperate players, drove over there with Stafford last night to play, and now you're saying you don't want me supporting all these Premier players. And he went, oh, sorry, I said, I'll go to the I've got you when you play Bryn Court.